Hey there. Thanks for watching my recent page review by Andreas Ellis, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. This recent page review is based on my honest opinion of logging into this platform myself. I'm going to take you with me as we research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Now, let's see what RecentPage promises us. The world's #1 landing page and website builder. Build gorgeous websites, high-converting landing pages, sales pages, funnels, and blogs in any niche in 30 seconds flat with the world's #1 landing page and website builder. No hosting required, no coding, designing required. Create unlimited pages and funnels, commercial license included, and fully mobile friendly. On the right, we have the typical big, bold claims. And as we scroll down, I started to see a little bit of a discrepancy where they talk about deliver using Candy. So Candy was new. It doesn't say RecentPage, so I was a little concerned. And then in this testimonial, it says now he does all his page designs using Candy. And if we scroll down, it says using Candy is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So I had to go find Candy, and this is the sales page for Candy, and this is the sales page for RecentPage. So this vendor did not even bother changing very much. He made this exactly the same. So all the testimonials are the same, all of the information is the same. This is the exact same product that was released in November of 2021, so that is 5 months ago. Went ahead and logged into the dashboard. First thing when we come in, we always want to find training. Now there was a 25-second video on the sales page that was a demo video, and that is all you get. There is no verbal sound. It is all just music. So 25 seconds of point and click and music. I thought maybe we could learn more about it here, but that just takes us into this section. As you scroll down, you kind of realize that RecentBook has just taken their name and put it in place of WordPress. So this should say WordPress here. And the reason I found that out is because if we log into this here where it says learn recentpage.org, thinking I would get RecentPage training, it really just takes you to learn WordPress, which is wordpress.org. So it's not RecentPage specific training, it's just WordPress training. So after our hunt for training that we were never able to find, I did want to go ahead and take a look at the site that is made. You can tell I am using the review access, and this is the page. So right now it does not exist, and therefore it seems that RecentBooks is not working. Now anytime you look at appearance in a WordPress dashboard, that's going to be dictated by your themes. So if we take a look at that, you can see active 2022. This is just blank. The other themes they give us access to, you can actually find on wordpress.org back where there was training. If you go to themes, 2022, Astra, and Ocean WP. Astra, Ocean WP, 2022, and GeneratePress is down there, I promise. The thing about these themes is they're free, so you wouldn't need RecentPress for this anyway. Another thing that can tell you a lot about your WordPress dashboard is if you go to plugins, and you can see that RecentPage is just a plugin to go into your WordPress dashboard. The same place we looked for themes, you can look at plugins, and guess what? These are free too. So you could come in here and find something free that works for you without using RecentPage. Now, personally, we use Thrive Themes. This is a suite of products. One of the main reasons that we really enjoy this product is there is unlimited support as well as tools and training. Anytime you need help in this platform, you can get it. And usually with these free plugins and themes, you can also get help from the creators or blogs or resources if you need it. Since this is a page builder, we will take a look at the pages. I was able to work on RecentPage number 13, which we'll take a look at in just a second. But if we add new, it does drop you into a WordPress editor, and you can edit it with RecentPage at the top. It is drag and drop. You just point, and then you have these templates you're able to use as blocks that you can build your website with. That doesn't really matter if your website's not going to come up. And if we take a look at the URL for this, it's recent.today and then they named this one JV Access because that's what I'm using. But you don't own this site. This site is owned by Recent.Today. If for some reason this page doesn't work, or goes down, or you get a 404 error, you can't troubleshoot this and bring it back up because you don't own it. You can only troubleshoot websites that you own. Let's preview the one I was able to play with a little bit earlier. I did just put the one block in. I wanted to see what it was going to look like with an opt-in box for an email since we do affiliate marketing. I don't see anything wrong with this, but there's no training. So when this happens, you have nobody to ask. So what's the strategy with RecentPage? Well, we can tell already that he bought the reseller rights to Candy and then just relaunched it and resold it as his own product. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. The problem is there's absolutely no training. So this isn't going to be for a newbie or somebody that's not familiar with WordPress. Also, he tells you that there are unlimited pages and funnels, not on the front end. On the front end, you have one website, a total of 10 sales pages, and no blog pages available to you. And right now, it's just not working. We couldn't even view our page, and there is no support or anybody to ask. It also says it's fully mobile friendly, but if we look, it's not suitable for mobile devices. And on the front end, this product is going to be $27. So that's pretty limited for them to tell us it is unlimited. Upsell number 1 is the Pro version at $67. This gives you one more site. Upsell number 2 is $97. This is going to be your unlimited, which actually gives you 3 sites, so not unlimited. Upsell number 3 is $197. This is the reseller. This is the strategy that the vendor chose. And upsell number 4 is $397. This one is your agency. All total, you're looking at $785 for a 5-month-old product that they didn't even really do any work to re-release. They tell you it's fully mobile friendly, but then they tell you again that it is not. And there are all kinds of restrictions on the front end, so definitely not unlimited. I'll leave it up to you if you want to waste your time, energy, and money on RecentPage. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found any value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this RecentPage review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.